So to start with, I have these two images, sample and sample2.jpg. One is a PNG image, other is a JPG image. Let me show you the content of these two images. So the first image contains this kind of text, and let me open the second image also, which is the sample2.jpg. Second image looks like this. Okay, and I want to be able to convert this document into a Word document, and I want to be able to edit all the content inside this document. Okay, so I want to convert all the text to a Word document, and I should be able to edit it. So what I can do, I can open first of all my Word app. So first open your Word app, and once my Word app opens, I'm going to create a blank document. So just create a blank document here, and then I'm going to insert this image into my Word document. So I'm going to just click on insert, then click on pictures, and then click on this device. Now I will choose the first document, which is sample.png, and here I have imported this PNG file, which is going to look like this. Okay, so you can also resize this, and then what you can do here is you can save this document. So just click on file, and then click on save as, and then click on browse, and then save this document to your desired location, not as docx file, but just click on this drop down menu and select .pdf. Okay, and I'm going to name it as a sample.pdf. So I know that this is the first file, right? So sample.pdf, and make sure that this type here is PDF. Okay, and then save this file, which is going to save this file, and it has opened this PDF document in my Edge browser. So now I have this image, and this image is converted to a PDF file. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a new instance of the Word app, and then I will just drag this PDF file, which I have converted from PNG to PDF, to my Word app, and you will see this message which says Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. And that's what we wanted, right? There is also the warning here, this may take a while. The resulting document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So just click on OK, and now you have this document, and now you can see I can edit this document according to my needs. So now I have opened this PNG image and this Word document side by side, and now you can see all the words which are present here are now converted to the text form. Some of the words, like this word institutions, cannot be converted because it contains some special kind of box here, but all the other words are totally converted to the text or the Word document. So I will say this is a good result. For example, you are just going somewhere and you took a photo from your mobile phone which contains text. You can directly convert your text into a Word document using this trick. Now let's convert the second document which contains the text like this, and let's see what happens. So I will just remove this image from here, and I will insert a new image which will be the second image from the device. I will select sample2 and then click on insert, and now I will just resize it a little bit so it just fits to this Word document. And once I'm happy, I can once again save this file as document. So browse, and then PDF. I will name it as sample2.pdf, and make sure the type is PDF here. Click on save, and you can see this document is converted to the PDF. Now I will just open a new instance of the Word app, and then I will just drag this sample2.pdf to the Word app, and again I will see this message. I will click on OK, and now the document is converted to the Word document. So let's see both the documents side by side. So you can see this text is converted, but because this logo was an image, this cannot be converted to the text, right? So it will give you some special symbols for that logo, but other than that, this is converted and this is converted. Also, when I scroll down here, I can see this link is also converted, right? Also, when I scroll at the bottom and here, this link is also converted. So this Word document can convert your image to the Word document very easily, and it's very powerful, and it's the best way of converting your text image into the Word document, and then you can use this Word document to edit the text or use it somewhere else. So in this way you can convert your images into the Word document. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.